Hello, good afternoon students. Jai Sanskar. Now we reach lesson number 15 and lesson number 15 is about the air around us. So let's read and understand about air. You know what is air, but we are going to read more and in detail in this lesson about air. We have learned in a chapter 9 that all the living things require air, but you have ever seen air? તમે ક્યારે air જોઈ છે? You must not seen air, but surely you must have felt its presence in so many ways. You notice it when the leaves of the trees rustle and clothes hanging on the clothesline sway. Pages of the open book begin flutter when the fan is switched on. The moving air makes it possible for all you to fly your kite. See, you cannot see air, but you can feel air. At what place you can feel air? You can feel air when kite is flying, when the page is turning automatically, when you switch on the fan, and when the leaves are rusting, and when the clothes that's lined up in the clothes line is just swaying. In this way, you can feel the presence of the air. The moving. Do you remember activity 3 in chapter number 5? In which they separated the sand and sawdust by winnowing. By using winnowing method like this, you just by winnowing, you just throw away the sawdust and other light-weighted particles from the main crop. Winnowing is more effective even in a moving air. You may have noticed that during the storm, the wind blows at a very high speed. It may even uproot the trees and blow off the rooftop. You have also heard or seen that how the blowing of air is strong. Even it can remove the rooftop. Yes, ઘરનું જે છાપરું છે એ પણ ઉડાડી શકે છે. Have you ever played with the ફિરકી? જો તમે આવી ફિરકીથી રમ્યા છો ક્યારે? It is available in the fair. મેળામાં available હોય છે. If doesn't, then don't worry, we will perform an activity and understand the concept very easily. Let us make a firki of own. चलो આપણે પોતાની ફિરકી બનાવીએ. Following is the instruction shown in 15.2. Hold the stick, the firki, and place it in the different direction in an open area. Move it a little back and forth. Observe what happened. Does the firki rotate? Yes. What makes a firki rotate? Moving air, isn't it? Yes. See, when you have a firki in your hand, you just rotate like this back and forth, and then you just turn like this. What happened? It started rotating. Have you seen a weathercock? See, this is a weathercock. What does this weathercock do? It always moves in the direction of the wind goes. It shows the direction in which air is moving at the place. Now 15.1, is the air present everywhere around us? Yes. Close your fist. First of all, you need, this is your hand, you need to close your fist. જો એ fist ની અંદર કંઈ છે? Close your fist. What do you have in it? Nothing. Try to following activity and find out. You need to understand this by following activity. Activity 2. Take an empty glass bottle. Is it really empty or does it have something inside it? एक empty glass bottle લ્યો and check whether it has anything or not. Turn it upside down અને એવી રીતે upside down હલાવીને પણ જોઈ લ્યો. Is it something inside it? No, you cannot see it. But now let's do the activity ahead and let's see what happens. Now you need to do this, do like this, take an empty bottle, and what you need to do, let's see. Now dip the open mouth of the bottle into the bucket filled with the water as shown in figure 15.4. See, હવે બોટલને આ રીતે અંદર dip કરો. Observe the bottle. Does it enter the water in the bottle? હવે એને ટર્ન કર્યા પછી see, look at that. Can the water enter in the bottle? No. Observe the bottle. Does it enter in the bottle? Now tilt the bottle slightly. હવે બોટલને થોડી slightly tilt કરો. Means થોડી ઝુકાવો. Does the water now enter the bottle? Yes. હવે water છે એ બોટલની અંદર enter થશે. Do you see bubbles coming out of the bottle or hear any bubbling sound? Yes. Can you now guess what was in the bottle? Yes, you are right. It is air. Yes, તમે સાચા છો. જે બબલ્સના સ્વરૂપે બહાર આવે છે, it is water. See, in the first time when you enter the water directly, not tilting in a straight manner to the water tank or water can, the water does not enter into the bottle. Why? Because there is a air present inside the bottle. Air has occupied all the space. There is no space for water to enter. But as you tilted the bottle, what happened? The air goes upside. Air છે ઉપરથી નીકળી જાય છે, and bubbles, you can see the bubbles and even you can hear the bubbles sound. The bottle was not empty at all. In fact, it was filled completely with the air. Even when you turned it upside down, that is why you notice that the water does not enter the bottle. When it is pushed, it is inverted position, as there was no space for air to escape. See, when you turn the bottle directly into the water tank, see, there is no space for air to move upward. Therefore, when you just directly put on the bottle into the water tank, the water doesn't enter. Why? Because air has already occupied the space inside it. When the bottle was tilted, the air was able to come out of the foam of the bubbles and water filled up empty space that air has occupied. જેવું તમે ટિલ્ટેડ કર્યું એવી થોડી બોટલને એરને થોડી જગ્યા મળી, and it is released in the form of the bubbles and water is filled. This activity shows that the air occupies space. It fills all the space in the bottle. It is present everywhere around us. Air has no color and one can see through it. It is transparent. See, air has no color, air has no taste, air has nothing. You cannot directly see it, but you can see through the air. It is transparent. તમે હવાની આર પાર જોઈ શકો. It is transparent. Our earth is surrounded by the thin layer of the air. This layer extended up to the many kilometers above the surface of the earth and called atmosphere. See, air is present on the earth up to the some of the kilometers, and that presence of the air in which we are living right now, it is called atmosphere. Our earth is surrounded, why do you think mountaineers carry oxygen cylinder with them while climbing high mountains? See, તમે ક્યારે વિચાર્યું છે કે why the mountaineers that climb the mountain take the oxygen with them? We are going to read this in the next video. So here, what do you learn from this video? You learn that the air is present everywhere and even the air occupies space. Air is transparent. You can see through it. So here, the 15.1 is over.